In this video, we'll be showing you how to transfer your Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet. So first of all, you need to get your Ethereum address on your Trust Wallet. So we're going to open the Trust Wallet app. And now we're going to look for Ethereum, and we can have it here. So we're going to click on it. And here you have the option to send, receive, buy, and more. We want to receive Ethereum and we're looking for the address. So we're going to go to receive. And there you have it. We have the QR code and the alphanumeric address. So the option here is to copy. And we just copied it. And then we're going to go into our Binance app. Here in the Binance app, you have home, markets, trades, futures, and wallets. So we're going to click on wallets. Now we're in wallets, we have to swipe over to spot. So it's currently on overview. We want to go to spot, and we could easily tap on spot or swipe to the left. So here we have our spot coins and we have Ethereum here. So we're going to select Ethereum. And when we select Ethereum, it's going to take us to the main dashboard, and we have two buttons here at the bottom, withdraw or deposit. So we want to withdraw from here into our Trust Wallet, which we copy the address. So we're going to click on withdraw. Two options come up, and we get to select send via crypto network. And now we're going to do a long press here to paste the address which we copied from our Trust Wallet. We're going to select the network. We're going to select the Ethereum ERC20 and the withdrawal amount. So we're going to say max. Of course, just to show that we can do this. And after having all of this here, we have the option now to withdraw. And when you click on withdraw, it's going to ask for a confirmation, and this amount is going to go straight into your Trust Wallet for Ethereum. So this is how to transfer Ethereum from Binance into Trust Wallet.